buff. Hello fans, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time I've come across my video, you are highly welcome to Beautiful Shine TV. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more videos. My returning thank you and God bless you. Okay, in today's video we are going to be making puff. We are making Nigerian puff. This recipes we need. In this recipe, we will be needing baking powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half spoon of thin salt. So we'll be needing yeast as well. I'm going to be melting it with hot water. We will be needing sugar. Here we have flour. Here we have half kilo of flour. Now I'm going to be mixing it together. I'll be using this thing to mix it. I'm not going to touch it with my hand. I'm going to use this to mix everything. So I'll be pouring everything in here. Just to mix it according to my satisfaction. Feel free to make your own as you want. Just going to turn it, mix it very well to my satisfaction. You know I have machine, but this no, we don't need machine on this. This is not buns. This is puff. So now I will be adding my, here is my sugar. I'm going to be mixing it. Let everything mix to my satisfaction. Let everything get in. This puff, you need warm water to mix it, not cold water. And anytime you want to make puff, you need warm water to mix it. Make sure the water is very warm, not hot, warm water. Now we need to add warm water here for the yeast. I'm mixing it with warm water, excuse me. Here we'll be adding a little water on it to mix. We have our water already. As you can see, the yeast is, feel free to buy the powder one, or this one is not, this one is the frozen one. So now I am mixing it with the warm water. Okay, I will be adding my yeast inside the flour to mix it together. I don't know if you guys can see it well. I'll try my possible best to show you mixing it very well. Now I will be adding my warm water to mix it. I'm adding first of all, I'm adding 1 tin cup of water first. Then I will be putting the second one. Okay. Mix it very well. Continue mixing. As you can see, it's fully mixed. Make sure you mix it properly. You can see everything is mixed. So we need to be covered now at least for 20 to 15 minutes. I will be putting it for rest in the oven. Make sure your oven is warm when you are putting it, not hot. Warm oven. I will be covering it now. I will take it to the oven for at least 15 to 20 minutes maximum. Now I will be covering it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will remove it. Then I have my pot here with my vegetable oil here to fry my puff. So very soon I will remove it from the oven the next 10 minutes. Okay, now I will be removing it. I just remove it from the oven for 20 minutes. You see how the rice came? You just rise. So now we'll be frying our puff. Now we are starting frying our buns. I'm going to be using this. I'm not using my hand to cut it. So I'm going to be taking it step by step. Here we have one. I have to lower it. Make sure it does not get burned. See how the puff looks fresh. You have to put it in the lower rate. If not, your puff will get burned. I just put it number one, just one. Now we have to remove it. This puff makes sense, guys. Wow, it makes sense. I just use deep pot to fry it because it's normal. This is my puff. Now we'll be frying the second one. My soft puff is ready. Don't forget to thumbs up for this video. Share, make me famous, guys. If you want to know how I make it, watch the video to the end and see you for my next video. Bye bye.